Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Othello, British Columbia, is a small but fascinating destination nestled in the scenic Fraser Canyon just east of the town of Hope. Surrounded by steep canyon walls, rushing rivers, and dense forest, this area offers visitors a glimpse into both the rugged natural beauty and the remarkable engineering history of southern British Columbia. The setting here is shaped by the powerful Coquihalla River, which has carved its way through the rock over thousands of years, creating dramatic cliffs and narrow passages that define the landscape today. One of the most well-known features of Othello is the series of railway tunnels that pass through the canyon walls.
Thank you very much.
These tunnels were built in the early 1900s as part of the Kettle Valley Railway, a major transportation route that connected communities across southern British Columbia. Construction of the railway began in 1910, and engineers faced enormous challenges as they blasted tunnels through solid granite. The project required both determination and ingenuity, and the result remains one of the most impressive feats of railway engineering in the province. Railway traffic through this area played an important role in the development of British Columbia. The Kettle Valley Railway provided vital transportation for passengers, mail, and goods, including lumber and mining supplies. During its busiest years, trains traveled regularly through the tunnels, connecting remote communities and supporting the province's growing industries. However, as road transportation improved and rail traffic declined, sections of the railway were gradually closed, and the line through Othello was eventually abandoned in the late 1950s. Beyond its historical importance, Othello is also valued for its natural environment. The surrounding forest is home to a variety of wildlife, including deer, birds, and small mammals that thrive in the canyon ecosystem. The Coquihalla River continues to shape the landscape, providing habitat for fish and creating the rushing sounds that echo through the narrow canyon walls. Seasonal changes bring new colors and textures, from lush green foliage in the summer to brilliant gold tones in the fall, making this area visually striking throughout the year. Today, Othello remains a destination that draws visitors interested in both history and natural beauty. Whether learning about the achievements of early railway builders or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings, visitors find that this small location holds a surprisingly rich story. Thanks for watching!